Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the bleach dispenser cover on the Samsung washer. Let's get started. The most common issues that we see with the bleach dispenser cover is that it gets broken or lost. To replace the bleach dispenser cover, insert 2 or 3 fingers into the opening and pull up to release the locking tabs and lift out to remove. If you have a bad bleach dispenser cover and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct part. It's common around the opening of the bleach dispenser for it to rust. Bleach is very corrosive. Be careful when you're pouring the bleach in the washer, and if you spill any, make sure you wipe it up. If this area starts to rust, there's no fixing or replacing it besides replacing the whole top of the washer. To install the bleach dispenser cover, insert the corner first. Then push down around the edges to lock it into place. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.